Hey you, are you looking to improve your cooking? Well, here's a simple technique that you will want to master. This is how to saute like a chef. Sautéing is a fantastic cooking skill to master because it's great at developing flavor in your dishes and quickly. In comparison to other cooking methods, sautéing can actually cut your cooking time by up to half. This technique is perfect for cooking lean proteins and vegetables. So with that, let's dive in. First, let's start with grabbing a sauté pan and some oil with a high smoke point, something like avocado or sesame oil. A low smoke point oil can cause our ingredients to burn quicker, so if you're unfamiliar with the process, start with the higher smoke point. Once we have our pan on high heat and with some oil up to temp, we're going to lay our ingredients down in the pan away from us, which will keep the oil from kicking back up at us. It's important to give our ingredients space too. Most ingredients have water content in them, and by putting too much in, it can release too much water and slow down the cooking process. So the word sauté is actually the French word for jump, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing with our ingredients. We want to keep them moving quickly so everything can cook evenly and prevent anything from sticking to the bottom of our pan. With experienced chefs, this is the point where you would see them flip the ingredients in their pan a bunch of times. But if that is outside of your comfort level, use the other kitchen tools like spatulas and tongs to assist you. Then, just repeat on and off until your food is cooked to your personal preference. Have fun with cooking and continue building that confidence.